well.
So we got a couple calls today. Some hunters up Spanish Fork Canyon are stranded. They slid off the road and towards a cliff, and it's real muddy, kind of snowy. It snowed a lot yesterday, and then the snow melted, so the roads are really muddy, really slick. So we're headed up to Sheep Creek right now, and then after we get done with this, we'll go do a trailer. But I've got Eli with me. Howdy. He's gonna hang out with me on these ones today because everyone else was gone. We got Ben is still in Arkansas. Mom and Dad went to St. George to watch my niece's competition. T is at her own weightlifting competition today all day. Her family is James the Cruiser guy, is her dad. So he's out watching competitions. So yeah, we really had no help today. So Eli came along, and Big D might meet me up here. He was with his family, and I called him, and he said he'd try to come up. So we might see him later with the Land Cruiser, but we'll see. And if we do get in a bad way, we can always call Chad from Chad's Fab, and he'll bring his Record Grizz up here and help me out. So I think we'll be okay, but the pictures look like we had a couple trees to pull off of, so it looks like we got some options. We'll see how it goes. Enjoy the ride. This is slick. It's just pulling us right into the ditch. There's a little stream running down the road. Okay, let's go take a look. It's fun to me, but I don't think it'd be fun to you.
Well, you just do anything or just stay out of the way?
Probably mostly just stay out of the way. I'm probably gonna have you in the truck. Normally I like to put one of my own guys in the truck for liability reasons, but I only have Eli and he's running the camera.
Okay, so what's the plan?
So I'm hoping that I can just attach to that tree, snatch block up, and pull the rear back up while you pull the front up a little bit. Let me go take a look. You mind if I shut this?
Yeah. Oh, no, fine.
Okay, worst case scenario, we can flip my truck around, use one winch to pull the rear and the other winch to come here and pull the front up. But I think once I start pulling the rear, your front will recenter.
So am I going to be moving forward as you're pulling me back?
Very slightly.
To try to...
Yep. Just gathering some sig guys. Okay, now we'll unhook your stuff. Yep, I will basically just walk you through everything I want you to do. I'll stand kind of by your window and tell you exactly what I want you to do when I want you to do it. You guys, either stay exactly where you are, because right there, if anything breaks, it's not going to hit you. It'll go this way and that way, or behind my truck. So either way you feel comfortable, as long as you don't move from that spot, that's fine. But if you want to go behind the truck, it is safer.
Okay.
Just roll in 4-wheel drive, so I want you in 4 low. And you got to put it in neutral if you get it low, if it's not already. Okay. And then if the front starts to slide down, I'm gonna have you stop, put it in two-wheel drive, and then go again. Okay? Go ahead and put a little bit of pressure on it. Not too much steady. A little bit less than that. Yep, just like that. Okay, hold up. Okay? Turn a little bit driver and go forward. A little bit more driver. Right there. Okay? Right. Let me pull you up just a hair more right there. Again, shout out to Alan at Yankum Ropes. This equipment is fantastic. I absolutely love the center of the winch ring because then I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to keep watching it. Okay, let's see if you can go real slow and easy up and turn around. Don't turn that way. Right there. A little bit driver. There you go. So you already drove up a little bit and then back?
Not much, yeah. We stopped maybe just
Okay.
on the top.
Worst case scenario, I could turn you around right there. So if you want me to drive, that's totally fine. I can go up and find a turnaround spot and come back. And then I can turn that beast around. So that would be up to you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to just pull the winch back in and button it up?
Yeah.
I love it when people get stuck by trees. It makes it so much easier. Yeah, it hit that log. It started going again.
Well, I'm glad you did that because you obviously know how to maneuver around it.
Yeah, you can see the tracks. It started to go off the hill again. Unfortunately, I've slid off the hill many times. So, okay. Well, I think we're done. You guys feel safe getting out? Are you? Well, I was gonna give you guys stickers, but I don't have any. Here's an air freshener.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, take it easy. I'm gonna go turn around, then we can just convoy out together. Is it recording? So, I don't know. Eli said the camera cut out, so we don't know if you saw the second recovery of the same truck. We had to pull him up a steep, muddy hill because the tires that he has on there just didn't quite have enough traction to get him up there. So he got most of the way up, then we just hooked a strap on him and pulled him the rest of the way up. We're back on pavement now. We're on Sheep Creek Road and we are headed down. We're almost to Highway 6 where we're gonna meet up with Donnie. I see him right there. I think we're gonna air up the tires a little bit. Looks like he broke a belt.
Donnie, say hi. Hi. It's not
You
Donnie.
can't call him Donnie, it's Big D.
Big D, sorry.
That is part of a U-joint on a driveline. I found the mirror off of that side-by-side we rescued a couple days ago. I found you a mirror.
Yeah!
You can just hold it up when you want to see something.
Yes, I like it. Thank you. Thanks for the present, even though this is your vehicle. Jeez. Go forward just a little bit, because you want to be pointed at the mountain, right?
Yeah, I pointed enough. Guide me into it.
Okay, gotta go that way. Driver, 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 driver. Stop there, pull forward. Go forward a little bit and then come a little more, driver. Okay, come back. Keep coming. Keep coming straight. Keep coming. Keep coming. Okay, hold up right there. You'll have to bump back a little bit, but how do you want to go with the ball?
I don't know.
If we go up, it might go over.
I don't think so. It's pretty.
Is it?
The axles are like hard into the dirt.
So I'm guessing I'm gonna be back winching that away.
We're gonna try to find somewhere on the back corner to winch straight over
While you're driving forward.
while I'm driving forward. Because I think I can pull it out. The problem is I don't want it to slide down.
Yeah. Yep. Come on back. Right there.
Keep going.
Oh, I'm going.
Keep going down. Let me put a little forward pressure on it. See if it latches the rest of the way.
Go down with the jack.
Did it latch the rest of the way?
No, it didn't.
It's just too much of an angle. Oh no, wait, no. Yeah, it's down. It's good. Yeah, it latched. Looks like that's bent up. Looks like they left their shovel, or somebody's.
On the rear axle. You just push it up by the weld.
They're not that strong.
So I was thinking maybe like right here around this, around the top.
Good. I mean, if we could, that would be awesome. That's just held on by two dinky little screws. I think that perch is probably going to be our only bet, isn't it?
Kind of looking that way. I don't even know if you can't even get all the way around it.
No, we'd have to do this on the outside. How strong is that crossmember?
I don't know.
Is it welded to the frame? Can you tell?
It is welded to the frame.
Let's
Just
do
a
it.
certain portion of it. But I found a hole right here on this one.
It's too thin.
So you think?
Okay, let's just go to the outside of this. How much is that? That's not very much.
No, what a front and rear. This front and rear, we go on sideways.
Let's go ahead and hook it up. We just won't pull hard. You're just a safety. I'm going to pull it out.
Okay.
So just being a safety, I think you're gonna be okay. Good?
You want me to jump in?
Yeah, because I'm gonna want you to run this and
move forward. I'm only gonna move forward about 4 feet this time.
I'm gonna start pulling. Don't put a ton of pressure on that winch. Hold it steady.
Hold on 1 second. The winch remote is not working.
You don't touch it for a minute, it'll turn it off. So you hold the on button on, put the blue light in the bottom.
Okay, the blue light's on. Hit. I hit in. And I cut. There we go. I got it.
So we're done with those 3 recoveries. We stopped here at the Little Acorn. Great place to eat. Donnie tried to block me in.
Unsuccessful. Because he got out before I could finish.
I jumped out fast. I was like, oh, Donnie's gonna block me in. I opened my door, started jumping out, and he's like, oh, okay, I won't. At least he didn't smash me. He's having a good time.
Called us in. The person who called us in, they just drove by. Or not, canceled.
Huh?
The person with the side of that was going to recover his sled. We just drove by. Oh, sweet.
There was another guy up here that his son was hunting. He was headed up to go get him unstuck. I gave him a card and told him, call us if you need us. And I guess he just drove by, so good for them. They got out and are headed home. Shenanigans. Big D's shenanigans. Anyways, we're gonna finish airing up, clean off the windows, and head over to lunch boxes.